cases. Joining us live this morning to talk more about this and how people can gather safely is Dr. Chris Colbert from the Emergency Medicine Residency Program at UIC. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
I appreciate you joining us because this is a very hot topic right now. We're seeing all these protests and really recently, fairly large number of people getting together to march peacefully, but there's still this huge problem going on, which is the pandemic.
You know, that's true. Whether you are demonstrating to open small businesses and or support social change or social reform, COVID-19 still exists. And it's extremely important for the population to understand there are certain recommendations that we're making for those individuals who are involved in demonstration.
I want to be honest with you, doctor. I know one of those recommendations is to try and be socially distant from one another. But the reality is that's not going to happen. With sometimes tens of thousands of people together, it's simply impossible to do that. So what can we tell these protesters who want to stay healthy to do?
Which is honestly very true. To ask someone to maintain 6 feet during a demonstration or a protest is extremely difficult sell. However, certain things such as maintaining hand sanitizer, as well as you can also maintain peaceful protest, as in limiting spitting, maintaining good hygiene is always great as well. And as if you are taking any capacity to not participate in large groups such as this, identify ways to alternatively communicate your concerns, whether it's calling your congressman or emailing someone specifically. Look for other alternatives as opposed to getting in large groups.
And I do want to give credit where credit is due, doctor. And I have to say that there are a large number of people who are wearing masks and really have them on the whole time. And certainly that's a very smart thing to do. But it's also very smart to understand that this pandemic is still going on. And I know there's some jokes on social media that everything is over. It's not over, and we do have to remain diligent.
Exactly. That's extremely important. Wearing your face mask will significantly decrease transmission, and that's what we're looking for. We want to mitigate transmission. And under this is a huge recommendations, i.e. practicing good hygiene and continued social distancing.
Dr. Chris Colbert, thank you so very much for joining us this morning. You are one of the people on the front line, so thank you for everything you're doing, and stay safe.